Hi, this is Mr. Estrada. In this video, we are going to go over problem 34 from the August 2012 geometry Regents. The graph below shows the locus of points equidistant from the x-axis and y-axis on the same set of axes. Graph the locus of points 3 units from the line x equals 0. Label with an x all points that satisfy both conditions. So this would have been a compound locus exercise, but seeing that they graphed one of the locus conditions for us, we only have to worry about graphing one of the locus conditions. But let me just break it down anyways, just in case you're wondering why those dashed lines are equidistant from the x and y axis. So it says the graph below shows the locus of points equidistant from the x-axis and y-axis. Here's what that means. You pick a point on any of these dashed lines, you're going to be equidistant from the x and y-axis. Say I pick a point here. The distance to the x-axis is the same as the distance to the y-axis. It's equidistant from the x-axis and the y-axis. So that's what that means. What we have to worry about is this over here. We have to worry about graphing the locus of points 3 units from the line x equals 0. So we're going to begin by plotting the line x equals 0. The line x equals 0 is right over here. It's the y-axis. So here's the line x equals 0. It's also happens to be the y-axis. And to graph all the points 3 units from the line x equals 0, you're going to sketch two parallel lines 3 units away from x equals 0. So that's going to be one line here and one line here. Now let's just think about this for a second. Why is it that these lines represent the points 3 units from the line x equals 0? Well, let's think about it. If you were to pick any point on either of these lines, so I pick this point, you'll be 3 units away from the line x equals 0. So you pick this point, you'll be 3 units away from the line x equals 0. Okay, so any point on either of these two dashed lines, which, by the way, this is x equals 3 and this is x equals negative 3. Any point on the line x equals 3 or the line x equals negative 3 is going to be 3 units from the line x equals 0. Now for the last part, label with an x all points to satisfy both conditions. That's here, here, and here. Why is that? Well, because this point is 3 units away from the line x equals 0, and it's also equidistant from the x-axis and the y-axis. And it's the same case with the other points that I labeled with an x. Okay, I hope that helps. Take care.